Hey everybody, it's Chase with US Cabinets and Design. I wanted to talk a moment about what makes us different than all the other cabinet companies in our country. Most cabinet companies are able to service a 25 to 30 mile radius, and they might only supply one or two products. Our company supplies cabinets, countertops, flooring, backsplash, hardware, appliances, and more. Sinks, faucets, anything you need for your kitchen or bathroom. We also do small renovations and installation in certain areas as well. Find out if you're in one of our service areas by giving us a call at 863-431-4663. Again, that's 863-431-4663, or check us out on uscabinetsanddesign.com. uscabinetsanddesign.com. We're happy to help any way we can, even if we have to guide and just design a kitchen and make a different recommendation. We're not here to get every sale. We're here to make sure that your project goes off the best, that you get the best possible outcome for your individual needs. So we're happy to help you. We're excited. If you're able to trust us, give us a call. We'll be able to work with you on your next project.